Do you know how to check when your air filters need to be changed? Come on, I'll show you. All right, so once you have your air filters out of the vehicle, you can check to see if they're dirty or not. We have our cabin air filter on our left-hand side and our engine air filter on our right-hand side. You can see the dirty one from the brand new one. Now, how the brand new cabin air filter improves the air quality within the vehicle for you and your children. Also enhances the way that the HVAC system works. The benefits of a fresh engine air filter is improved performance within the vehicle, your engine will last longer, and your overall vehicle will run and drive better. Okay, so every few months, give them a check, pull them out, see if they are dirty. If they are, let's get a brand new one in there to improve your vehicle's performance and the health of you and your family.